Here's a butterfly IC option from the K guard that I saw from Matthias Sosinski. From the full guard, we initially go, bring our legs towards us, pulling our partner towards us, shooting into the K guard. From this position, when we got an opponent that doesn't make our life easy, letting us wrap our leg around, pulling their knee outwards, what we do instead is I take my other leg, I bring that onto his back, and I switch to Achilles grip. From here, I free my leg, and now I square up against here. I then switch to the Aoki lock and get the finish.